Take risk in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you fail, you can guide. These are the great words from Swami Vivekananda. Dear friends, my name is Suma Josh. Today I want to share a beautiful message with you that push your limit. So you feel it is hard to push your limit. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought why couldn't finish your task which you have started with a strong desire and decision to finish that? Take an example of when you have started reading some kinds of book and how many of you couldn't finish those books. I think it happens many of us. Yes, it happened with me also. So why we couldn't finish those work which we have started over a period of time once we started working or once we decided to change our habit. Maybe you might have started many things in your life about to reduce your weight, or maybe wake up in the morning and you desire to walk early morning for your fitness, or maybe you have to read some books which help for your mental growth, and all of sudden we start things, but over a period of time we leave those things, we leave that one habit, and we feel that we have reached that limit, and you may feel like you need to quit that. So you give up things and your focus will be something else. Does it happen with you? So if it is happen with you, why does it happen with you? So dear friends, we believe that we have reached that limit, or maybe you believe that you have reached that limit. Once you believe that you have reached that limit, now you feel it is harder for you to push through beyond such limit. Yes, dear friends. So it is very, very important for us to focus that one thing and stay with that one thing. Whatever hardship we have in our life, we need to face, because it is a kind of risk we are taking to change that mindset. So what we all are doing, we all love to live certain comfort zone. We all are living with our own comfort zone. So whatever we have to start with, when you decide to start a new habit, just start from that comfort zone, and slowly you can make it uncomfortable, and you can complete things, but you can change those habits gradually. All of a sudden you cannot do it, because it is very hard for you to moving and pushing through those challenges is something is seems to be very difficult. So dear friends, what we can do, we have an option. So if you believe that someone else will be helping you, someone else will be pushing you to do and complete things, is once you believe that you can do with the help of someone else, just to be with an accountability with someone else who you feel that they push you and they will help you to achieve things or accomplish things in your life. Yes, dear friends, you can think about staying connected with people who really helping you to push those limit. You have to push beyond limit. beyond whatever limit you have. So, for getting success or being successful in your life, you need to push through those limits. It is very important for you to understand what is your problem, not achieving or accomplishing things. What is your problem for completing those tasks which you have started? There may be, there will be certain situations, there will be some kinds of mindset, there will be some kinds of beliefs. So, whatever it may be, you can overcome. Just think about getting connected with people who really helps you so that you can also change your mindset according to the situations. If I staying connected with someone else, which means that they are helping us to do something great in our life. So that is what we have to listen others. We have to uh, be with like-minded people who really helping us. Whenever you are going to leave things, you feel that you are leaving those things without any progress. So, dear friends, let me tell you that if you are pushing through those limits to reach beyond that limit, slowly and gradually you are going to do bigger and better things in life. It is only because you believe yourself that you can achieve things. So, take a small step to achieve things in your life. Maybe if you want to get up so early and start working, what do you have to do? Start with a very single day and focus next day, second day, third day, and finally you can go up to 7 days. It will become a part of your habit. So that is what you need to push your limit or go to beyond those limits so that you can start things in comfortable way, but you can take them in an uncomfortable way, but you will be very comfortable to adjust with those uncomfortable things that you've been doing in your life. So dear friends, be focused because your focus matters a lot for achieving goals in your life. Be focused because focus matters a lot, dear friend, because we all are been going through a wonderful and a beautiful journey in our life. So you are learning things, you are experiencing things, so that you are going to learn more and more if you focus things in your life. So dear friends, push your limit beyond your capacity. Push your limit, push yourself beyond that limit to become successful in your life. It is very important for you to take a decision today that may change your future. Take a decision today so that you can change things for tomorrow. So, dear friends, push beyond your limit. You can do, you have the power to do. Everything is possible, only pushing harder and harder beyond that limit, dear friends. So, this is my topic today. I believe that I have delivered a beautiful message for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.